I'm Jada.
And I'm Malaya.
And you are opening Kinder Surprises with the Davises.
Do you know what Kinder Surprises are? Chocolate eggs with surprises inside.
Okay, I guess we're gonna start with these massive ones.
That did not work. Ooh. Whoa, it's a huge Kinder Surprise!
Oh!
That's awesome. I got a Hello Kitty one.
Oh, mine matches.
Okay, I'm gonna move everything to the side so you can see what happened here. So I got the Hello Kitty set.
I got this bee.
I'm not quite sure how to put this together. Is there any instructions? Does he roll? Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, now we're gonna try the chocolate. I have no self-control.
Yours is good.
No, I'm ready. Can I have it back now?
These are so good. So this is my set.
Yeah. Yes, you did great.
Now, we're gonna move on to these.
Okay, so now we're gonna try these. Oh, so they're normal size.
And there's 4.
So now we're gonna try out these. Okay, now what is mine?
It's a messy recipe.
How do you put this together?
I wanna see if this fits you.
I'm gonna open my next one and show you what this one is. It's the exact same as this one. So mine's a longboard. Thank you.
What's mine?
Really? It like, anyways, so this is what my longboard
What exactly?
looks like.
Oh, it's a ring. I'm looking at it upside
That's
down.
the sticker.
Can you put stuff in it?
Now I'm going to try what?
So you can put like notes in your ring. So you can make this into like a bracelet, like if it doesn't fit your finger. So these are the Kinder Surprise eggs that we got. You can get them like locally from like any supermarket, any store here in Canada.
So
Thank you guys for watching.
like and subscribe.
Turn on that notification bell and comment down below what you want us to do next. Thanks for hanging out with the Davises. Because we're gonna do it.
How do you use this thing?
I know what you want to say.
Oh,
You're just not you.
No.
sorry.
Well, we were recording a YouTube video, but you guys completely ruined it, so that's alright.
We can restart